Hi, Marla Brodsky Camler fan pagers! So, today on A Piece of Marla's Mind, I would like to talk about holiday parties. Now, let me start off by saying I am a huge fan of holiday parties. Nobody likes a holiday party more than me. I mean, let's be honest. People are walking around, they're mingling, they're like talking and laughing, they're drinking fun-colored drinks, they're eating snazzy-shaped foods, and everything is sweet and delicious and fun, and like, I just am so happy at a holiday party. But I feel like this year, I really don't have a lot of holiday parties to go to. I mean, there's not a lot of work holiday parties. There's not a lot of just stuff going around. And I'm thinking to myself, wait a second. This is not only terrible news for me, but it is terrible news for the holiday party. Because again, I'm missing out, so is the party. I'm like the life of the party. I'm like the angel of Christmas. I love going to holiday parties. I mean, why not? Lord knows I got plenty of holiday cheer to spread. So, here's what I'm offering for all of you out there. If anybody out there feels like they don't have a date to go to their holiday party with, they want a little friend to go to one of their other friends' parties, they need an escort to go somewhere to spread the fa-la-la, I'm your girl! Pick up the phone, send me a message, be like, Marla, I need you to come to the holiday party. And I'm like, sure, why not? So remember, this year, my gift to you, escorts for everyone. And I'm the escort. Okay, that came out wrong, but you know what I'm trying to say. And that was A Piece of Marla's Mind.